So, out of those seven defenses, the first one is prescription. And prescription means a defendant may plead that he was justified by reason of prescription as by showing a common right of way over the land. Thus, for example, the parking of a car of a tenant in the compound of the building where he is a tenant, although belongs to the landlord, cannot be considered as trespass. And the second one is regarding leave and license. A license only make an act lawful, which without it will be unlawful. It is a voluntary suspension of the licensor's right to treat certain acts as lawful. And the third one is the authority of law. Entry under legal process is justifiable. Persons who execute legal process like a warrant of arrest or search warrant or attachment are protected by the warrant from the liability in respect of the acts authorized by it, but the warrant must not be illegal on the face of it. It should not exceed the authority given by it, and the person executing it must conform to the mode or procedure prescribed by law. Under distress is the remedy for the satisfaction of a demand which consists in the taking of a personal chattel from the possession of the defendant as a place for the performance or the satisfaction required. It is the usual remedy for recovery of rent, and the fourth one is self-defense. So, a trespasser may be excused as having been done in self-defense or in defense of a man's goods, chattels, or animals, and regarding act of necessity, such a putting out fire for public safety, defense, or arrangements, etc. In connection to that, any step or move taken by the defendant regarding to putting out the fire for public safety or defense or any arrangement made regarding that would be considered as a defense available to the defendant in cases of trespass of land. And regarding re-entry on land, an owner who has been wrongfully disposed may re-enter his own land, and if he does so, he cannot be sued for trespass. And the last one, that is relating to retaking of goods and chattels. If a person takes away the goods of another, gives to owner of them an implied license to enter for the very purpose, could not amount to trespass, as he only returning the very owner of the goods, so he enters into another's land for retaking of such goods and chattels and returning to its owner. So these are the defenses available against trespass to land to the defendant.